He pay you. He pay you.
Come on, enter inside this house. Come on, enter.
What are you doing?
You're welcome.
That is not the answer to my question. My question is, waiter, what are you doing?
What is it I'm doing?
I am asking you a question and you don't want to answer me. Okay, then waiter, have you washed the dirty place in the house?
Mm-hmm.
Have you washed the dirty clothes? Have you swept all the rooms we have in this house? Have you cleaned the cobwebs? Okay, I am asking you a question. And you are busy eating, waiter.
You not let me eat this in peace now.
Waiter, you actually eating with two meats. Huh? You don't know that at your age, you are not supposed to be eating with two meats. You are supposed to be eating only one meat. Yeah? Okay, say you are not eating again. If it's like that. Miracle. No, the tire one. You know,
You fall. Let it enjoy, shameless man.
It is your real father who is a shameless man. Because I know that I am not your real father.
You are dragging food with your daughter. Shameless, you are so shameless.
It is your real father who is shameless. Because me, I know I am not your real father.
Eat that punch.
A man as tall as I am cannot give birth to a waiter like you.
You need to yourself.
You
Mama.
wait, I see for this nonsense you said there.
You eat it and die.
For this nonsense you said, I don't mark your face to God. I will stampede you, waiter. To God, I will stampede you. Look at me. Waiter, you are eating and drinking Coke.
Mama.
He pay you, waiter, he pay you.
Come on, enter inside this house. Come on, enter.
Mpa Maggie, he pay you. Waiter, get me toothpick. Jordan, toothpick, waiter. If it's like this, I will continue provoking you in the house so that you will continue rejecting your food. If I ever leave this food for you, come back here.
And why is your face like that?
Go and ask your husband. That person that calls himself your husband, go and ask him.
Wait, what did you just say? You're gone now, I've always said that you're a very mannerless child, and I've always known that you are not my blood. Because in my family, we are very respectful people. This girl is not from my lineage.
I've told you it's very wrong to talk to your father in that manner.
No, you have always been a very mannerless and disrespectful child. And that is why I doubt your paternity. I don't think you are my biological child. In my family and in my lineage, we are respectful people. I don't know where this thing got you from.
What have I done wrong now?
You have done everything wrong. You have practically and pragmatically done everything wrong. First of all, you gave me a child that is not my child. You got pregnant elsewhere and you imposed it on me. That is number one. Number two, you now instigate the way the one that you gave birth to.
Please. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by I instigated our own daughter to insult you?
I don't even have time to banter words with you now.
I don't even know why you married this kind of person as your husband.
Wait, what did you just say?
I'm not saying anything.
Wait, what did you just say?
I'm not saying anything.
You know I've been looking for a way to buy you and wait. I've been looking for a way to stop. I've been I've been looking for a way to stampede you. If you say this kind of nonsense before me again, I'm going to people okay. Yeah, people okay.
Shut up now. Shut up. You already know your father. You don't need to stop insulting him. It's not nice.
Did you ask what he did?
Even though he's still your father.
Did you ask me about meeting today? Do you know what happened?
Oh, maybe we should stop this thing.
Look at somebody that...
Shut up! Shut up, please. Even though he's still your father, stop it.
No problem.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know why you like baby like small children.
If you want us to go inside, just shut up.
What did you just say now? Can you wait
Come
up
and meet me now. Hello, come and touch me. Come and touch me.
We are waiting. We are waiting.
Leave her now, leave her!
Ababa, now you got this thing. Ababa, don't provoke me again. Ababa, don't provoke me again. I'm going to talk. Ababa, engine. Ababa.
This one na wahala promise. Younger they sleep, trouble they wake up. Who is stopping late?
Again?
What is again?
Again? Others are talking money. You are here greeting morning. Let me tell you, if you are doing all this nonsense so that you have the leverage to ask me for money, cha-cha-cha-cha-ko, you are wasting your time because why you no go see takataka sana sikupendi. Behave yourself also.
Papa, see, I need money. I don't know what you're saying. I just need money for my wife registration. Registration is going to end next 3 weeks and I'm not paid. So give me money, let me go and pay.
Come on, madam dear, come on, perish that idea. I say make you perish that idea. You see why I always doubt your paternity. You see why I always say you are not my biological daughter. You know why? A full-blown man like me should not have a daughter who does not understand when the father says there is no money, when the father says I am facing challenges, when the father says I am suffering. Your own is give me money. Where will I get the money from?
Maybe you did not hear what I said before. I said I need money for my wife registration and it's going to end next 3 weeks.
So we go and steal.
Me too, should I steal? Should I steal? If I not ask my father, who am I supposed to ask for?
Who did you call your father? At this point, I don't think you are my daughter.
Why would I even be your
How can someone as tall as I am beget a way chop like
How can I have a tout as my father?
You just say. If you say that nonsense again now, I will just stampede you here.
Oh, give me money, let me go.
For this nonsense you just said there, my to God will make me and you. I don't mark your face now. Why here now? Now leave this place before I stampede you.
Ha.
Leave here before I stampede. Leave here. If I don't stampede you here now, come what here? If I hear pain from you, wait try again. If I don't stampede you, come what here? I don't know sense in this one. But as having children, I have a way chop immediate. That is here disturbing my life. Your mother has some questions to answer because something like this is not in our lineage.
This one na wahala promise. Younger they sleep, trouble they wake up. Who is stopping late? Every day by day, plenty troubles. Every night and day, so she no wants trouble. She no wants wahala. Then they take her easy, no be her fault. This one na wahala promise. Younger they sleep, trouble they wake up. Who is stopping late? Plenty wahala. Every day by day, plenty troubles. Every night and day, so she no wants trouble. She no wants wahala. Then they take her easy, no be her fault. Every too thin, you dey para. Why dey? If you no bless your child, now who go bless him? If you no love your child, now who go love him? Dede, why are you like this, Dede? Why are you this wicked, Papa? Money you no get, love you no get. Now waiting be your problems, Dede. Sorochi wamo, iwe di okunda juo. Sorochi nekegi gaba, ebo atunagi ogadima. This one na wahala promise. Yanga de sleep, trouble they wake up.
Mori. Ma but God, ndi along come. Dear Mori. Get up, Baba. Get away, cha. Dear Mori. God, ndi along come. Where is my money? Where is my money? Where is my money?
Which money?
The money I kept in my room. Where is it?
You used to come home with money.
Which kind of nonsense insult is that? Eh? Every man goes back home at the end of the day with money, either from work or from business. And I am not an exception. Where did you keep my money?
I did not see any money.
Are you sure?
I did not take your money.
If that be the case, your useless daughter, your midget of a daughter, that way stole my money and I must stampede her. But to God, I will stampede your daughter.
If you're doing that, nothing should happen to my daughter. Oh. Nothing should happen to my daughter.
I will stampede your daughter.
Nothing should happen to my daughter. Oh. Nothing should happen to my daughter. If they ask you for money, you don't have money, now you're looking for money.
Good morning.
Sorochi, how are you?
I'm fine. This is my WAEC registration money.
Oh, that's nice.
This is my WAEC registration money.
Yeah. That's nice. Okay, you can get into the class. When I come to the class, I will take your details and make your registration.
Alright.
Hey! Don't let her! Where's my money? Wait, where is my money? Where is the money you stole from? Where is the money you stole from?
I've used it now.
You used my money.
Why would you steal from your
I did not steal it.
Calm down.
Calm down, Bogidia. You used my money for what?
I've used it.
What did you just say? Wait, what did you just say? I kept my money and you stole it. And you are telling me you've used it. You used it for what?
Calm down. Sorochi, why would you steal from your family?
I did not steal any money. The money he's talking about is this registration money I gave you.
Oh, it was the money I kept that you stole. Come on, give me that money. Yeah, wait up. Let me tell you, see you. For this nonsense, what you do now, eh? I don't mark your face. If this kind of thing happens next time, I will stampede you. Eh?
Calm down.
What did you just say? You can't stampede here. You can't provoke here now.
Principal!
Yeah, wait up. I am talking, I can't principal for me. Yeah, wait up.
Leave me!
Sir, please.
Wait up. You say you. But to God, I will stampede you. Wait up.
Principal!
I got the balloon jabala when fresh. No! I got the balloon jabala when fresh. Kizunori. I've always said it that you are ungrateful, and that is why you will remain a great fool. I got the balloon jako. King where mind is honori. You say you. Makatuka monake. I don't mark your face. Pamagidia. Bianwecho. Bianwecho. I don't the protocol. God, I don't the protocol.
Calm down, Soro. Come. Don't worry. Let's go inside class. me get something at the back soon.
Alright, no problem. It's fine.
I've always known that that girl is not my daughter. I've always said it that a true blood of mine is not a thief and can never steal. The question is, who is the true father of that girl?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Let me sound this as a note of warning. If by the end of today, that girl is still in this house, you will see what I'll do to you. Take her back to her father, the thief, because she's not my daughter.
You know, I hate it when you sound like this. Look at Sorochi and look at yourself. Does she not look like you?
Well, she looks like me somehow, but not fully, not totally. What happened was that you played pregnancy tricks on me. You got pregnant elsewhere and you came to impose it on me. See, every child has the tendency to resemble the man who is always close to the mother while she was pregnant. That was exactly what happened.
Okay. So what are you insinuating?
I am insinuating that you got pregnant elsewhere. Then you came back. You came back, Ababinjin. You came back to flaunt your gigantic and heavily endowed backside. And I fell for the trap. I came and I dived once, dived twice, only for you to say I was the one who got you pregnant.
I'm so disappointed.
No, you should be. I will say this for the very last time. Let me say this for the very last time. If by the end of today, I still see that girl in this house, I will commit murder, and I will run away. No, tell me, how would someone as tall as I am give birth to that midget, to that waiter? They go to Dimpadikam.
So like this now you are talk. Looking at yourself, you are talk.
Dimpadikam, na Dimpadikam, Dimpadikam. You know where you got that baby from. Take her back.
Take a good look at yourself and look at Sorochi. Just one each. They are taller than her. One. One.
Pamage again.
Gingertic man.
For this nonsense you just said, my to God, where make me and you? I don't mark your face. To God, I will stampede you.
No,
It was this.
Don't touch me!
It was this backside though.
You are just a confused man. I'm disappointed in you.
Yeah?
I'm disappointed in you. She looks like you now.
Yeah?
Like father, like daughter. Don't touch me. Leave me!
I said it! It was this thing that confused me!
I am still being confused.
You say you were using this thing to confuse me. My to God, where make me and you? I don't mark your face. To God, I will stampede you. If you could not confuse me, what did I do to you?
I'm disappointed in you. God forbid. I am still getting confused more and more. Nothing to happen to that girl. Nothing should happen to her. Look at this short man. Oh. What's the difference between you and Sorochi? Is it because I even agreed to marry her at the first place?
Trouble, they wake up. Who is stopping late? Every day by day, plenty troubles. Every night and day.
Sorochi, come back here. Has he gotten to the point of stealing?
I did not steal from anybody.
But your father just came back from your school and confirmed that you stole his money.
I did not steal his money. I only took my WAEC money. WAEC is approaching late entry. So what was I supposed to do?
At least you would have told me. You would have told me that WAEC is approaching late entry. I will look for money and give to you instead of stealing from your father. You know who he is. You went as far as taking his money without telling him or even me.
I did not steal it. My own is that I took it and I took the exact money. I did not take extra.
Fruchi, we are saying the same thing. You would have still told me your mother. I will give you the money.
So now what will I do?
I will look for a way and get the money and give to you. Don't worry, I will give you the money. This girl. Your food is on the table, oh.
I keep on asking one question. Why does he hate his own daughter?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. Didi still believes that our daughter is not his biological child.
He must be stupid for insinuating that. How can he say such a thing?
This is not the reason why I'm here. I need money. My daughter's WAEC registration is ending in 3 weeks. And I don't have money to register for her. Even if you lend me, I will pay you back. Please. Please.
Well, in a week time, I will give you the money. What are friends for?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you.
It's okay.
That is why one needs to be very careful in life.
Honestly. So what now happened at last?
Nothing, no. Absolutely nothing.
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 So they lost everything.
That is it. My dear, that is just it.
Ha! Thank God I'm not the one.
I was surprised though.
Because if I am the one, God already knows what I want.
I know you now.
What is going on here? Wait, so what are you still doing here?
Wait.
What is she doing in my house?
So you meant that she should leave this house?
No. What is this Waiter still doing in my house? Eh?
You want her to go to? This is her father's house now.
I meant every word of it. Now, Waiter, I want you to go in there, pack all your belongings, and leave my compound this moment.
Not the only compound. This is my father's house. Papa, if you don't want to see me again, then go to your own father's house.
Shut! Stop talking to your father like that. Shut up.
Come on, Madam dear, perish that idea. What did you just call me?
Papa?
What did you just call me?
Papa.
God forbid bad thing. Dear, I can never father a midget like you.
Don't say that to your own child.
I could just
Stop it.
I could just stampede you now. Instead of me to have a daughter like you in my life, Kambatia. You see, for this nonsense you just said, Mahaba to God, why make me and you? I don't mark your face. How can somebody as tall as I am give birth to a way?
Who is deceiving you? Who is telling you that you're tall? Who is that person? You need to go and slap that person because that person is a thief, a liar.
You see, I know that we might have the same skin color and two of us might have the same round face, but on the size, we don't have something like this in my generation.
Come on, let's measure ourselves. Come on, let me measure. See, don't make me insult you.
If I have a daughter like you in this my life, Kambatia, I am talking, Abi.
Okay.
Woman can stampede you, Abi. In my lineage, there's nobody like this.
Papa, don't deceive yourself. You're the one that made me like this.
Oh, I am talking,
Mama!
Okay,
Stop!
Now you cause this thing. About engine, now you cause this thing. I have fallen down because of that waiter. Baba to God. I have fallen down because of waiter. Now you cause Baba. You allowed her to run again. That's down. I don't provoke. You allowed her to run again. About engine.
1 week, one wahala.
Falling down. You cause this thing. About engine, just down.
I told you to leave her now. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What is nonsense?
Now.
Go inside.
Leave me. Leave me. Oh my God.
About engine. About being Jane, me, I want chop, I try to taggy. Oh,
Please leave me. Are you not tired?
Will I be tired? Yeah, Baba. I beg now. Okay. Let's see. How did he hold me now? Okay, wait. Let me just put only the cap. Oh, I will just put the cap and then I will remove the cap. That is enough for me. Oh,
I want to sleep now. Leave me. Leave me now. What is it? Leave me. Okay, you know what? In the morning.
Early morning. Before that early morning, the make I first tidy, even if it's of one, I will put only the cap. Oh, because
leave me now.
So also, book a malon.
I'm so tired.
Okay, so what will happen? I will just put the cap. Thank you. You know.
Thank you for what? Lie down and sleep.
You know, say
Are you not tired?
You know, say you. Why will I be tired?
Me, I'm tired.
Me tired.
I'm tired.
Okay, how you are tired? You and I will use my own strength. You are asking me if I am tired. Have you forgotten that if you find me come, you go still first me come, because me, I know they come till thy kingdom come, Baba.
Leave me.
Okay.
Rest.
Okay, every bad thing I've done to you in this life, forgive me.
I am forgiving you, but sleep.
At this point, you see this our house, I give it to you. You see Mmaduka to Anisha, it belongs to my family. I have not told you all this while. I will give it to you. You see River Niger, now my papa, grandpapa get them. I will give them to you with all the fishes where there inside River Niger. Baba.
Please, I want to sleep. Leave me now.
Even head bridge, it belongs to what? You see Asaba. Now our family get Asaba without show you Asaba. Even Newi and then what Newi.
Please sleep.
Of one. Na meza bata meni gwadagwangu. Na meza Hey, Baba, stop. Baba, where are you going to?
You asked us to leave your house, that's what we are doing.
No, Ababa, no. It is this way, this God-forsaken one that I asked to leave my
I'm not God-forsaken, no. I'm not God-forsaken.
You see why I said she must leave this house? No, you see why I said she must leave my compound? She has no respect. She now talks back at me.
If she will leave, then I will leave with her.
Ababa, perish the idea now. Make you zero the matter. We do not need her. She's actually spoiling our joy. She's a killjoy. Let she leave this house so that we can enjoy our lives in peace.
Where do you want her to go to?
Anywhere she likes, anywhere she wants. Let she go to.
Mama, let's go, Joe.
Ababa, so if I allow you now, you will carry all this food, all this heavy package, all these endowments and contours and leave this compound.
Mama,
let her go. Go. Okay, come back. Okay, come back. Ababa, come back. Come back. Do you want to buy me? How do you want me to survive without this? Well, it is true that we cho no ni room na ta cho. Achoram ka cho ya cho. So I forgive her. I forgive Cho.
thank you.
Which kind of thank you is that? It's not because of you I'm forgiving you. It's because of Abba binging. I am talking and you're still doing. Cho. Itakwa cho now. Cho ga cho.
Allow her.
Ababa. Ababa, this thing you did now, Odema. So if not that I stopped you, you would have carried this thing. If in you would have carried it to leave this.
Follow my daughter.
I have forgiven you. Oh? Now that I have forgiven you, I think the forgiveness calls for celebration. Let us go inside, even if it's one.
Biko.
Oh, I'll put only the car. Ababa Binjin. Hey! Hey! Ababa, so if I've allowed you, would have left this compound with all those endowments behind you. How would I have survived? Where I come from, what we call that type is Ano Kanike. You messed up, but I forgive you. But to God, Ababa, wow, you messed up, but I forgive you. To God, I forgive you.
If you not bless your child, then who go bless him? If you not love your child, then who go love him?
At this juncture, I think I have to give peace a chance. Nwa. Nwanyị bụ ife. Tall, short, ugly, beautiful. A child is a child. Nwa kachasị. I've seen tall, beautiful girls who ended up useless. I've equally seen short, ugly ones that amounted to lofty heights in the society. I've seen midgets that attained the greatest of heights in the society. I think all I have to do at this point is to go make money. So I will give my child the best of everything. Best education. Best parental upbringing. I need to give peace a chance. Mungu Ninku. A child is God's greatest gift to mankind. Nwa bụ nwa. Ọmalụmma, ọjọlụ njọ, otologo, ọsụlụ mkpụmkpụ, ọdị ọcha, ọdị oji. Nwa bụ nwa. And for all those days, all those periods I told my child, Mpamagi, I take back my word. For all those periods I told her, I don't mark your face, I will stampede you. I take it back. Take back my words. There to beg God, is your life. Sorochi Adannaya. Come, my child. Sorochi, do you know you are a very fine girl? Do you know you are the most beautiful girl in the neighborhood? And you are equally a very intelligent girl.
Wow.
You know, it is true you used to upset me practically and pragmatically all the time. But that does not take the fact that I love you away.
Papa, are you sure you are okay? Do you need anything?
Listen, my child. You are the most intelligent. You are the most brilliant. You are the most articulate. You are the smartest. You are the wisest. You are my princess. You are the finest of them all. As a matter of fact, when God was creating you, my child, God was actually showing off. And I love you more than life itself. Today, as your father, I make you a promise. I will do everything within my powers to give you the very best education, even if it warrants me selling all I have as a man.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Nobody have told me this thing you just said now, but no problem.
Nobody has ever told you how beautiful you are?
Nobody.
And I am telling you that today. Whenever you walk out there, I want you to walk with shoulder high, knowing that you are a princess, knowing that you are a queen, knowing that nobody is half as beautiful as you are, my child.
Wow.
You know how much I love you.
See, I will not upset you again. I will not get you angry again.
You that I know. You that I know.
No, I will not, because I don't know the kind of spirit that enter you today that making you to say all these sweet talks. It's good though.
I know that living here now, you might even commit another one. But the truth of the matter is, as your father, I love you and I will give you the very best in life.
Chai.
Oh?
Thank you.
Oh, mom. And I will stop calling you Nwecho. Oh, you are my queen, you are my princess, you are the most beautiful we have in the house.
Wow. Thank you.
In Swahili they say nakupenda. It means I love you.
Chai.
So I would want us to go and fix something for you to eat. Let us go and cook together, father and daughter. What will you want to eat?
Oh yeah, nah, let's eat fufu.
You have fufu? You have fufu?
Yes, now.
Which soup do you want?
Vegetable soup. That we not eat vegetable. Before we have kwashiorkor in this house.
And we add it to ogili. Is it ogili igbo nwanyeke or ogili nneko?
Anyone.
As long as it's ogili igbo. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Let's get going, my child. Oh? Oh, wow. Adanaya. Adadeli ukwano.
If you don't bless your child, now who go bless them?
Adanaya.
You don't love your child.
Shopping.
Adanaya. Be careful so you don't cut your hand.
What is going on here?
I'm cooking, Mama.
Cooking what?
We are trying to prepare something delicious for the family.
Let all of us cook together now.
No, Abba, go inside and rest. When we finish cooking, we call you to come and enjoy yourself. Oh?
Papa is right. Go inside, when we're done, we'll call you.
Yeah?
Oh, my Abba, go and relax.
Yeah. So I should not help you?
No, I don't want your body to smell smoke. Go inside. Go and rest. They ball over the fresh. Oh?
Abba, go inside, okay? Hey. Yeah, your father cooking.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Abba,
Let it be sweet though.
Trust us now. When we have ogili igbo nwanyeke.
I'm inside waiting.
Be careful, I don't want that knife to cut your hand. Oh? Adannayo. You know confirm the soup.
I swear. So you can cook like this.
You know confirm the soup.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
You see what happens with my father? Sometimes this is behave like gentleman, but sometimes you don't behave like tout, all these street tout.
You don't lose God again.
No.
My daughter, you don't lose God again. If at that time why still they get anger issues, I would have said or I would have said Mahaba to God, where make me and you. I don't mark your face.
This is so nice.
It's so nice, but you put too much salt.
You still complain?
Yeah?
No, it's very nice though. But just that you put too much salt.
The problem with you is that we can never have peace in this house.
Just the two of you.
While we are having peace, my daughter must find a way to bring pieces into the peace we are having. Do you know that the ogiri I used in making this soup? I got it from Nwanyeke. Yes, ogiri igbo Nwanyeke.
Don't Nwanyeke that you used to buy ogiri from now.
No, now. Ababa
you like attacking your father.
Ababa used to buy her own ogiri from Nnenkoli in a
How did you know?
In a How
did you know?
Front line. You go well.
Very nice.
You go well, Abi, you know go well.
You go well.
You cooking for us now?
No. Look at Fudge.
Oh, what? Drop the meat.
I thought you have settled.
We have settled does not mean that you will pick meat before me. Drop the meat.
Drop it. But should I have to take it now? Take Allah.
That one, that I want to pick.
Or you can take this one.
Ababa,
Take one.
try this one.
Don't worry. Take this one.
Cho.
Take. Eat very well.
Cho.
Oh? It's your father that made
I
the meal.
answer you.
Huh?
I answer you.
Why don't you ask me, Cho? If you want to call Cho, you call me a
No
tout.
answer.
Because I've agreed. We have settled.
And you
I
like
take the biggest meat. I permit you. Take the biggest meat.
Finish this one now.
Hmm?
I want to keep it separate so that nobody will carry it.
Nobody will take it.
Allow my daughter to eat the meat. Not be me. I got the quad. I got the quad. If the meat
Oh, me, I like
finishes,
this food though.
if the
It's
meat
very
finishes,
nice.
we'll buy more.
You make the next meal for me.
Wait, Cho, to make meal for us.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe me and you. Sugar and cook soup and add sugar.
You that you add plenty salt to cook. Is it because I like that
People
it's
like
nice?
spicy.
It's not like
Did you enjoy it or not?
I not enjoy it.
Yeah, wait, Cho.
It's been ages. It was nice to me and all that. What happened? The day that I married, he preferred to eat outside with his friends than to eat at home with his family. But he didn't eat. It's fine. It's a positive change. But I pray this change continue because I am tired of the Flash.
Like I already said, let him continue like this forever.
Hey. Media. You know, anytime you call media like this, one thing is involved. It means you want to make a demand. Let me tell you ahead of time, there is nothing for you today. So hold your dear.
Far from it. Far from it. I'm not yet making anything.
Even if you want to make a demand, nothing. Cha-cha-cha, she-she, chakom, you will not smell.
Your food is at the dining.
And who told you I want to eat your food?
Oh. You don't want to eat my food again?
Well, the food that I don't want to eat is the cooked food. No, not this one.
That means you've eaten enough outside.
You don't lose God again, Abi. No, you don't lose God again, Abi. You sit in my belly before and you open your mouth and you talk carelessly at me. What is the worry this one? Eh? What is the bring that kind of nonsense talk? I could just stampede you here now. Be this girl. Yeah? Be this Biancanwani. Biancanwani. What is wrong with this one? Get out!
What is even wrong with this man? It keeps getting worse day by day. It's just food I told him to eat. God. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Ababinjin.
You scared me.
Ababinjin. Ababinjin. I am so sorry that I scared you.
It's fine. So I've been meaning to ask you.
Yes.
Who taught you how to cook so good?
It was actually my, it was who cooked that. It was Moody. It was my mother that taught me how to cook.
She did a good job because I really enjoyed the meal.
Well, I am so glad. Mpenzi wangu, you enjoyed the meal. Now that you enjoyed the meal, I suggest go inside so that I will enjoy this food.
Do I ever get tired?
If I get tired of this load you are carrying, Kambatia.
Mbamba kabatiro.
Eh?
It's all yours.
Ko chanja dio tua. Kedozi ki mafia gade. Okwa Mmaduka na agwori isi ewu a. Okwa dele Mmaduka na agwola abacha. It's my own. Hey, kaba mma nwa we kan fulu. See, all those one I told you, Pamba Didia, I take it back. I will stampede myself. And finally, all those one I said, I don't mark your nyash. I mean, I don't mark your face. I don't mark my own face.
You're still here. You've not gone to school.
No.
Why?
Because I should look for him.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe he wants another trouble.
Who wants another trouble? No, who wants trouble? Yeah, wait, what did you just say? What did she just say?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Here is 32,000 naira. Your WAEC registration fee.
I did not say it's 32,000. I say it's 30,000. Take your 2,000.
You can keep the change. Keep the change.
Before you can say I stole from you again. I should keep the change.
I said you should keep the change and wait, keep the change.
Thank you.
Thank you. We could start going before you change his mind.
Let him come and change his mind. I will not change any mind.
Are you not surprised?
You not see my reaction. I'm shocked. I'm not surprised. I'm shocked.
Bye bye. Tell me bye bye. You know they give you money. Don't want to stay around. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Okay.
Ndị ọzọ na-eje ọrụ ebe eje ebute ike, nlụ ọrụ ebe hapụ ike, jebute ike, gbala aka natawa ụmụ dike. Nwechọ, kedu na-eme nke a Nwechọ?
I went to check my job results. Guess what? I made it.
I don't believe you, Nwechọ.
I made it.
What did you score?
282.
Wait, I have always known that you will make me proud.
Like mother, like daughter. She's like me.
Now me wait to resemble. Wait. To celebrate this, I will kill a very big fowl for you. Hurry up with the cooking.
Okay.
Hurry up with the cooking. Where are the Dr. Waiter? Dr. Waiter. Wait. Prepare the food fast. Wait. At this point, we are faced with the uphill task of raising money for our daughter's university education. Her tuition fees, department fees, faculty dues, her acceptance fees and hostel fees. And sincerely speaking, I do not know how we are going to do the magic, because I want my only child my daughter to get a proper university education.
The thought of it alone gives me sleepless nights.
I have severally and severely thought of this, and I have come to one conclusion. For us to sell our land or...
No. There is no or. There's no way you're going to sell the only land your late father left for you. It's not even advisable, my husband.
But we have a dire need for money this period.
I know. God will provide.
You see, I do not want us to miss this golden opportunity of sending our only child to the university. It will break my heart.
She's not going to miss out on anything. I have this strong feeling that God will provide. Okay?
I join my faith with yours that God will provide Mongo Ninku.
Yeah. Huh?
Ababinjin. 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 Amalicham. Hey, can I say, Moody, you don't greet again? Huh? Ababa, there was something Mark was telling me, and I said I would not hear it alone. That was why I decided to call you out, so you hear from the horse's mouth.
Okay.
What?
I'm listening.
Get one big man for city. You know city, right? In they look for house air, person who go clean everything for house. You go wash plate, go wash for clothes, everything. So me, I can't the thing go far. I can't think come back say, who I go even they call am for? I say no. Na your rota. Say I go carry your rota. May you go for city. Go to work as house is it house help? For house help. Your rota will work house help. Now for city o.
So what you will not accept this because she wants to go to school.
Exactly. That was exactly the point we got to in the discussion. If I said, let you come out and hear by yourself.
Your husband don't tell me everything. Go on. So I can't tell him me calm down. The man na big man oh. He get money, he go put them for school.
Are you sure he's going to train her in school?
Ha! Don't worry yourself.
Make you match him there. Make you zero the matter. Zero the matter. There is something this boy does not know. It is one thing to have money. It is another thing to have the mind to help the less privileged. It is one thing for that man to be rich and have money. It is another thing for him to have the mind, to have the open hand to help the children of the poor.
So how are you sure he's going to train her?
Oh! See this man now, that man, he am like, this man. If you see this man for eye, this man have a that person now, good person. He go even put your rota for school, train him well. He am me. We are young. How come when your head?
Ababinjin. Like you know what yourself, I don't already mark him face. Oh God, I don't mark the boy face on how that man will get our daughter. If the man fall our hand, I will stampede down.
Alright. Once Rochi comes back, we are going to discuss with her. Then if she agrees, she'll follow you to the city.
No problem.
I pray everything works out fine.
I just hope she accepts.
You know your daughter. Your daughter is a very difficult
Our
girl.
daughter.
Sorochi.
I just back following me.
Sit down. Oh. There is something very important we want to discuss with you.
What happened?
It's all about you, my daughter. You know Mark, your father's friend that stays in the city.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he was here earlier today and he told us something. The man is living with in the city. He's looking for a house help.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody that will help him doing all these small house chores and all. So
So?
he had you in mind before coming.
Me? Does he know me? Hey.
The thing is, he wants you to be the man's house help. So you can be helping the man doing one or two. Tidy up the house, wash the plates, mop the floor. Nothing serious. As long as you have good behavior, everybody will be fine.
Okay. So now if you want to use tie and chase me out of this place, right? Out of this house, out of this village. No, wala. No, it's good though. It's good, at least it's for my own good. No, wala. But will you send me to school?
Yes.
You know me, I want to be a medical doctor. I don't want anything that will stop my school.
Yes, and me, I want to be a doctor's father. So I will make sure you go to school. You see the man, as long as you have good behavior, doing the right things in the house, the man will pay your tuition through the university. You go to school.
The way you are happily talking about the man like this, my mind is just telling me something. Abi, do you know him this much? Abi, you want to sell me?
No, my daughter, no. This man is a very rich man. As long as you have good behavior in the house, he will train you to any institution you want to go to.
Wala na. So, this one, the world is coming with condition. No wala.
And the man is not just rich, he is equally generous.
Very, very
Obasapulaka. Oh?
No wala. But I will have to think about it.
Come again. This girl, don't tell this girl again. But there's no problem. Whatever condition and whatever you have to think, as long as you come out or you come up with a positive result, there is no problem.
No problem. Can I go now?
Yes. You can go. Think about it very well, oh. This your daughter, she's too stubborn.
Make I no talk that thing where they my mind.
Don't say it.
You see that where they my mind. Make I no talk make you no be like say I don't start again. If not,
just so she comes out.
I for same palm everybody to God.
Get it. Do me with a go. She no say city no be village. Where you go just drive bicycle here in Tiamakero. Tiam down they go.
Adanaya, I know you've always been a very good girl, but please, when you get to the city, I want you to make this family proud. I want you to be a very, very respectful child to your oga, very obedient. Whatever they tell you, always obey. Oh, be of best behavior. All I want from that man is good news and nothing but good news. Oh, from here, we will be praying for you. You know, go in school and make the family proud.
My daughter, God will bless you. We are praying for you here. Oh, be a good girl. Anything your God says that you should do, do it. As if you want him to train in school. You want to be a doctor, right? Ngwano, you will do very well. Huh?
Okay.
Make sure you're a good girl. Don't disappoint me.
Let's go now.
Wait. What is that? What is that? Adania, you know those small, those kele wajai, ECK and stubbornness you used to display once in a while.
Just leave it here.
Please drop it here. Oh, remove the cloth of stubbornness and keep it here and go to the city with a new leaf. You know go?
No, she's a good girl.
And
Every
that's
time they go.
Mark, I go
Now
start.
city where would they go?
I go stampede you, Mark. I'm talking to my
Okay.
child and you are making noise.
No,
Mark,
wahala.
Mark, you listen, eh?
Where would they go?
Mark, listen. You see my daughter.
Where
I don't
would
want
they
to. Let me. You know my daughter, but from Polanya, this you go. Or how we be like this, you know, so I don't mark your face. If you lose get anywhere around my child or come back to tell me stories, or I see scratch on my daughter's skin, we are finished.
Hey, you don't trust me again.
You can go.
Where
Oh,
would they go?
Adanaya, go and make the family proud. Oh, go and make the family proud.
Don't worry yourself, small. Go to
Please,
work.
so people should take it easy.
Mark,
Go to work, small time.
Mark.
Work like generator.
I don't mark your face. Hey, lose guard and stampede here. What is that nonsense look on your face? Eh? You don't lose guard again, no. You don't want your daughter to go to school and become a medical doctor again.
I'm just scared.
Scared of what?
This is the first time of going to this city.
Come on, go inside and fix something for me to eat.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Please take care of yourself. Oh.
Ababa.
I told you that I have a better person that will do this job very well. You didn't listen to me.
Mark already told me about the girl he went to do before he came.
Okay, where are they now? Since morning. Where is he?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mark,
Yes, sir.
where is the person you went to bring?
Present, sir.
So now I'm be this so. Forget as small like this now. Small but mighty you. It dey work like generator. Go. You go clean everything for this house. You go shock you. You go there from buy them, sir.
Mark, are you foolish? Eh? Something wrong with your head. We told you to go and bring an adult that can do house chores, the laundry and every other thing, and you want to go and bring a child? Are you stupid?
Hey. Point of correction.
Yes.
I am not a child. Please, let's not just start there. I did not come for you. I came for Oga.
All right. Now that you are here,
Yes.
let's have a discussion so as to get to know you. What can you do?
Okay, I cook very well, sir.
Shut up. The kitchen is my department, and I will not share it with anyone. That includes you. So don't you say it again. Shut up. Do you understand? So shut up. Let me even ask you. Can you even make a good food? Can you make... Imagine. How? Can you cook?
Do you know that you just challenged me to a cooking contest? And do you know what? I love challenges. Oga, do you know what you will do? Just give us more money, just little money to cook 2 pots of soup each. And I promise, okay, look at how we'll do it. Invite maybe 2 of your friends to taste the food after we're done cooking it. Then they will tell us the better one.
Bam.
Good.
Are you daft? Did you not hear that I will not share my kitchen with anyone? Do you not hear it?
You don't want to share your kitchen with that. Is there anything special about this your kitchen? Is there anything you do aside cooking in this kitchen?
You must be very stupid. Okay?
No, because it's now becoming suspicious. Since I came, I've been talking about this your kitchen. What is the matter with the kitchen? I
What could I possibly do with the food?
Do you people have gold in the kitchen that somebody cannot enter?
She just came to that. She's accusing me.
There's no need for the noise. It's only for the noise. Okay. Mabel.
Where did you bring this girl from?
I say leave this girl like this. I don't tell you say this girl na machine gun. It work like Mark 3. Go clean everything for this house. Okay? Kunabam. Make him stay at work. You go see him.
Mabel,
Sir?
show her to her room. It's okay.
Show her to which room, sir? Her size is not in this house. Which room would I possibly put her now? Which room?
You. Go back to your duty post, okay?
Okay, he's talking to you. I still talking. She
Come on,
don't
shut
have respect. Stand at this.
Okay, where will she stay? Her size is not in this house. Which room would I possibly put her now? Which room? Sir, her bed size is not in this house. Where will I put her?
Madam, take me to my room. I'm tired. Take me to my room.
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, Mmaduka. What bed is your size? Where do you think you're going to? Come back here!
What a smart girl. I was thinking she's a baby. But from the way she talks, I have no doubt she's not a kid. I think I like her guts. Just pray she's hardworking.
Where did Mark bring that girl from? She just arrived and she has already started antagonizing me. And from all indications, I may not be able to subdue that girl. I may not be able to subdue her. And if care is not taken, she will overthrow me in this house. At this juncture, I don't have any other choice than to stand her toe to toe. I will not let her override me. No, I won't. And if care is not taken, I will set her up. I will frame her so that Oga will send her back to the village where she came from. What nonsense. I will not let that girl override me. Never.
Why you coming?
Carry chair, come sit on face.
No, talk. I won't stand. Why you coming? Papa?
Calm down. You know, see, I just bring you from village, come this compound. The way you talk to Mabel, you know good. You see that girl, senior, you know, big girl, you know good. You're supposed to put small respect for her.
So you were not there when she started the insult? You were not there? You want to tell me that you are deaf? That you couldn't hear what she said?
No be like that now. You know, say the girl, now senior, you don't senior you. If you senior you for plenty years.
Hold on, let me tell you something. I don't care if she's my elder or something. If she stands on my way, I'm going to crush her and I will trash her body.
You are just carries from village, just come now. I won't go crush person where on there for us, you don't take. You know what last for this compound? You know what?
As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm 100% sure that I will last in this house more than her. You want to bet?
No.
No, you will bet?
No. I wish you for good luck.
The way her body is just doing now, I will make sure that I put my eyes on her. And by so doing, you know now, Oga will put eye on her too.
I beg. You know, she just come here, just bring you from village, come, you know, take. I beg. Make it be small,
Don't worry about me, I'm okay. I did well. I did can't wait. Don't worry.
Hey.
Don't worry. No, I'm okay. Is that all?
You don't finish now.
No. Don't worry. Next time we'll make I go just.
I beg, do I'm small. You know, she just come new. Yeah, man. Just carry from village, come. You don't need turn, Oga. I just bring you. You can go sleep small.
Yeah, come in. Sorochi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I hope you're getting used to the environment.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Quick one. I heard you want to further your education at the university level and that you also passed JAMB?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll sponsor you, okay?
You sponsor me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you so much, sir.
But it's time. ASU is on strike. And the universities are shut down. No academics will commence until the strike is called off.
I know, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I have to wait until the strike is called off.
No problem, sir.
Then you can begin with your registration.
No problem,
All right?
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
You're welcome.
God bless you so much, sir. You will live long, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. That's the reason why I said for you so we can be on the same page.
No
right?
problem, sir. No problem. I'm okay, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
fine, yes, sir.
So, you
Thank you, sir.
Bless
God
you.
bless you, sir.
You're a very foolish person. Where did you bring that old girl from?
Wetin dey happen to you now? You see person dey sleep, you no even allow person dey sleep. You can't wake person for sleep. That girl no rude anything.
She is worse than being rude. And I want you to talk to her to behave. If not, I will make this house hell for her.
Igame. That girl no rude. Get one thing I want to tell you. That girl get long way to go for this compound. You better start now to take am for family. You don't know?
Really? I will take her as family if she learns to stay off my lane. Do you understand? That kitchen belongs to me and me alone. The rest of the house chores and laundry belongs to her. So talk to her. I don't want to see her close to that kitchen again.
Oh, so na kitchen be the problem. Oh, wahala. I go talk to them, but just take am for small. Again, a small, take am small with them. I go talk to them.
Just shut up. While talking to her, just make sure you pull her ears. Because that girl you bring for this house, even I said she know the hear word, me I dey crazy. Go and tell her. I am crazy. Do you understand?
I go tell am now they go abeg I dey sleep. They go. I don't hear I go tell am.
I will not warn you again. Go and talk to her. Because I will not hesitate to crush her. If she stands in my lane, I will squeeze her.
I don't hear they go.
I will not tell you.
This thing when you do now, they very risky. I enter my security mode. I can't go myself, come back. I don't call it up back on. This thing they risky now. I don't call it up back on. We can sleep my thing they go. Don't disturb me again. No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Maybe. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. I want to clean up your room.
I thought the responsibilities of cleaning and washing had been shifted to Sorochi.
Yes, you're very correct, sir. But I will be the one to clean up your room and then wash your clothes.
Yes. Okay, let me have a clean, please.
No, don't worry, sir. You just relax. Relax, let me start with the floor first.
Okay.
Of course. Okay, sir.
I'm good.
Sir, would you like pepper soup and okra pignon?
What's that?
It's a recipe you would like.
I'm fine, madam. Don't bother. No worries. Just carry on what you're doing.
Are you sure, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. fine, sir.
Yeah.
You don't want anything. Does it mean that engineer did not notice me or what? Eh? He didn't notice me. Because I know I made a very sweet moves in there. What happened? Okay, I am going to try again later in the night. And if he still did not notice me, then I will use other means. What rubbish. After all my moves, he's old. I mean, he's close to death. And I will make sure he wills some of his properties to me. He must. He must notice me. I have to make sure.
Yeah. It's okay. There is no problem. Just let me know when you're ready so I can send you my own support. Alright? Are you back from the market?
Yes, sir.
Please, let me call you back. I hope it went well.
Yes, sir, I did. Just that things are very expensive at the market and the 400,000 naira you gave me was not able to buy all of the things we needed in the house. So.
Wow. I did not know that things are this expensive with that 400,000 naira cannot buy just few things we need in this house.
Are you foolish? Was I talking to you?
I know you're not talking to me either. You are so extravagant in spending money. Why? You need to cut things down. Cut the way you spend money down. Cut it down.
What is wrong with this girl? Did you go to the market with me? Did you know how expensive things were in the market?
Okay, fine.
Mind your business. Can you stay in your lane? Let me stay in my own lane.
Sir, Augusta, the things she bought is not even something that worth 200,000 naira. I am telling you the truth. It's not worth 200,000 naira.
See, I don't want you to quarrel with her.
Should I come bring the things she bought so you get where I'm coming from? Should I bring it? Should I bring it? Let me go and bring it.
What is wrong with this girl? You can imagine what this girl is doing. Eh? I've been working for you over the years. Just imagine. Why is she doing this?
Is there any truth in what she has just said?
Can it be true, sir? You know me now.
Okay, sir.
But did I want this girl not to... I want her not to step into my kitchen.
Sir, and one more sack like this. One more sack like this in the kitchen. That one I cannot carry. Only.
I'm not supposed to come back with Ghana must go.
Sir.
I told you not to step your feet into this kitchen.
Sir, tell me if this thing you are seeing now, if this thing is worth 200,000 naira, should I bring them out so that we'll calculate it? Should I?
Hey.
This 400,000 naira?
Sir, I am not spending your money.
Shut your mouth.
One thing I don't like in this life is waste of money. My people used to say, Ejiri akpata etu for aburo garanya, meaning that you cannot retain riches with continuously spending of money. No, it's not good. Honestly, it pisses me off.
I'm not wasting your money.
With this current economy of this country.
No, but I give you value for your money. You know it.
Will you shut up?
Just look at this torturer, sir. She's quarreling with me. Okay. I have been serving you over the years. Who are you to?
Okay.
Who are you to stay for this family?
Okay, sir, I agree. I'm a witchcraft. I'm a church rat. What else do you call me? I'm a thief. I'm a liar.
You're a witch.
I'm a witch. Yes, I agree, sir. Do you want to believe what I'm saying? Just give me 200,000 naira tomorrow. I promise you. I will go to the market. I will buy double of all these things. I promise you, sir. If I don't buy it, sack me.
Where did you come out from?
I am saying it with my full chest.
What have I done to you?
Sir.
Quiet.
Now, if I don't buy double of these things,
They say
with
quiet.
200, leave me, let me talk.
Shut up.
If I don't buy with 200,000 naira, bring balance for you. Sack me. Honestly. No more quarrel, no more issue. Let's just put the bets like that.
Hey! Come on, stop there.
What?
This brat. You're beginning to bite more than we can chew. And I promise you, your jaw will be turned into pieces very soon.
Madam, you cannot do anything, madam. You cannot do anything. Stop pointing me. You can't do anything.
What did you just say?
What? You want to beat him? Come now. Come.
Yeah. Today, you see today. Today will be the last time you interfere in my affair. Do you understand? Your lane, make I do my lane.
Today is just the beginning. No. Today is the beginning. I will keep checkmating you till you stop misbehaving. Okay? You want to be spending this organ money. You have to be stealing all his money. If it's your father's money, will you be wasting it like this? Eh? Why you wasting my organ money like that?
I will wound you.
See.
I will wound you.
Get out.
This is the last warning. I will not warn you again.
You will want me again.
I will not warn you again.
You will want me again.
The next time I will kill you.
Come and kill me.
I will crush you. I will crush you.
Come and kill me. Come and do it
I
now.
will not warn you again.
Mugo. Idiot too. Ekwensu. Mommy water. I'm not playing you. You have to steal. As I am in this house, you will not steal anything again. As no more stealing. If you steal, you will eat your egg.
Okay, I sent your sister on an errand. She'll be back soon.
Okay, I will wait.
Are your parents?
Oh, everybody's fine.
Sir? They did not open today. I didn't see. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll buy the dogs in town. See you later.
Bye-bye, sir.
He believes you're my brother.
Of course.
Let's go inside.
Why they call my name like that? You don't get respect.
I'm asking you something. Calm down, bros. Who is that guy that came to see me, Babel?
Who?
The guy that just left.
This one way they go now, your own problem. I know one wahala. You know how I get it talk like roasted corn, quack. He say na him brother. Now so I take him. I know one wahala for this house.
Brother.
Eh now?
Just brother.
Brother when say him be.
I will find out.
You want to do it?
I said I will find out, don't worry.
This one we just go carry come from village. You don't dey find out. Na him brother, I don't know. Ha, find out.
I can't believe you, boss. I can't believe I'm your brother.
Same here. I didn't know he was going to believe. I didn't know he was going to buy that. But
General market, yo. General market, yo. Continue last card, yo. General market, yo. General market, yo, daddy. Continue last card, continue. I got my eyes on you. See you.
Baby girl, didn't you know that you're supposed to knock before entering someone's room?
Since I interrupted something.
You just spoke like an adult. Yes, I put it to you that you just interrupted something.
Really?
Yes.
And I put it to you, Isoko, that I will keep on interrupting that thing that I just interrupted.
See, if you don't leave this room, I'm going to throw you outside.
Try it. Try it and see if you won't see yourself in the police station. And when you get there, you will explain to my Oga and the police officer if this room looks like a hotel.
I'm sorry, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has. It has, because tell me what you are doing with him inside this room. That his face was coming very close to your face. His lips were coming very close to your own lips.
We didn't do anything.
What were you about to do? You're looking at yourself, eyeball to eyeball. Lips going closer, body moving closer. Think I did not see it.
I'm trying to remove something from my eyes. What are you saying?
I know now.
You see?
You're trying to remove something from my eyes. Then your lip was trying to remove something from my own lip. Your body was trying to remove something from my body. Your eye was trying to remove something from my eyes. Your cheek was trying to. Oh. Who is deceiving who? Why your eye was going to remove something from the eye?
No, we're not doing anything. We don't know what you saw.
I don't know what I saw. And that is how I will continue coming here so that I will saw that thing that I don't know how to saw.
Get out, just leave me the room.
Okay?
Come.
Which game wanna be all these ones?
This girl is frustrating me. I am tired.
Okay, baby. You see, just lock the door. Let's continue.
She said she's going to tell my boss and I'm saying let's lock the door.
Were you not there when the boss left this?
Okay, he will not come back.
Just 1 minute.
Please stop. First, let me think. What am I going to tell him now?
After doing it, the thinking will come straight. Just 1 minute. Close the door.
I said you should wait. No.
Yes. This is 500,000. Go to the market and buy food stuff to restore the house.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please, I would like to go to the market with her.
What? Yeah, are you joking?
Do I look like I'm joking?
Of course you must be joking because the kitchen is my department and not yours.
I am not dragging your department with you. I'm only trying to make sure that there is high level of transparency in your financial spending today. And that everything you're buying today corresponds with the money given to you.
Look at this small yellow. Well, you will not go anywhere with me. Face your department. What nonsense is this one?
Sir, it is for your own good. I would like to go to the market with her, so I will inspect everything she's buying.
See this small yellow. It's like, you can imagine. Look at her. You want to go to the market with me? As small as you are. If I slap you.
She will go with you.
Sir?
I will go with you.
We are not going to argue this. She will go to the market with you. And both of you can leave.
This is what you will do. Take the car outside.
Alright.
Let me quickly change and then join you outside, okay?
Outside the compound?
Yes, outside.
Your plan will not work. You not go walk. Your plan will not work. Because I am going everywhere with you. What are you planning again?
What kind of devil is this?
What kind of devil are you? You, this devil. What are you planning? Money waster. What are you planning? You want to sneak out without me? Huh? It's not work. Calm down. Let's go to this market together. I am with you. Spiritually, emotionally, physically, everything.
You're not even well dressed and you want to follow me to the market.
Look, leave my dress. I will go to anywhere I like, with any clothes I like. It's my dress code. It's not yours. So go and dress. If you want to dress, go and dress. Let's go. Stop wasting time. Money waster.
Hey, there is nothing I will not see.
Now wait for me. Let's go. What? What?
What are you doing there? Come and get her from that house, sir.
If you sit at that basket, will you die?
Are you mad? Come and get down.
Madam, the only thing you have to do now, sit there. Go.
If I sit at the back, how will I show him road to the market?
Direct the driver where he's going to. Nothing else, nothing less. Madam, go to the back seat. Don't disturb me.
So much I will drag you down if you don't come down now.
Madam, try it. Want it?
Get out.
Come on. If you finish backing, you enter back seat.
Come down from this guy now.
You're coming down. You're not going anywhere. Try it.
Come down from this guy now.
No, try it. Drag me down now. You're mad. Go and sit there. You don't want to sit there, then you get out.
You want me to kill you? You want to die in my hands?
don't want that.
I will not kill you.
You will not kill. It's me that will kill you.
You will kill me.
Then that will not touch me again.
It will touch you. What will you do?
Not touch me
It
again.
will touch you. It will touch you.
Hey, sit and get behind me. I will not fight you. Yeah? I will not fight you. I will not beat you. I will not kill you. So I will not arrest
You will not kill me.
Yes.
As small as you are.
Get out.
You think you can kill me as small as you are? What will you do? Am I a mate? Am I a mate? Are you foolish? Come and stand there, sir. Idiot. Foolish girl. Am I a mate? Should you want to fight me? Oh, come out and fight now. Nonsense. Look at this such rats. Okay, Beke. Driver, let's go.
This one are 2.5 oh.
2.5.
Things has increased though. Things are expensive. This one is 2,000.
This one is 2,000.
2,000.
So, is that the last price?
Oh yeah, take this one 2,300.
2,300.
2,300.
This one is 2,000.
Eh. Things are expensive.
Okay, put this one 5.
5.
No. No. That's not how to do things. You don't know how to price. Can't you price? Madam, don't put that in. No. Don't put that in. If you're not selling for 1.6, we're not buying. Please.
1.6 this fish.
Yes.
So don't stress me. Don't try me.
Why won't I stress you? Mama Okechukwu is selling her own cheaper, so we can go to our shop.
So the last time I checked, you just came to the city. So how come you know Mama Okechukwu shop?
So, must you know all my movements? Eh?
Don't stress me. I'll slap you if you stress me.
See, we're not buying.
I'll slap you. Oh.
If you're not selling for 1.6, put it.
Customer, carry your picking they go. Where?
Which pikin? Which pikin you talk about? This person fit born me. Eh? She fit born me. If you know the same, make we come out. Not by force.
Put 5 for me, please.
See, don't put anything.
So don't stress me. Oh. Do not stress me in this market. Oh.
Will you beat
I'll
me?
beat
Will
you.
you beat me?
I will slap you.
Let's go. Let's go to another place.
Madam, they go. Customer beg. Carry your picking they go.
I'm not buying here. Let's go.
I never see you with this kind of picking before for market. So.
Let's go now.
Which kind of picking be this one?
Now you're very foolish.
Thank you, ma.
Now you the import fish for me.
Good morning.
Hey, customer, welcome.
Please, I want banana flour.
Okay, this one, ba.
Yes. What is that?
This one is 15,000.
15,000.
Yes.
Still not too much.
Things are very costly in the market.
Oh, yeah, I'll give you 14,000. I'll give you 14,000.
Just bring 14,500. Let me.
I don't have it. It's 14,000. I'll give you.
Okay, no problem. Bring it.
Read on. We're not selling for 12,000. Believe it.
12,000. This is cost in the market now.
Don't want it. 12,000.
Okay, just bring the money.
Yeah.
You need any other thing?
Tell her. Bring them. That's the thing that. Tell her what you want. Bring tomato.
Is it this time?
Eh.
This one is Sarah.
Keep it back.
But I was asking you to get quiet. Put how much?
This one is 2,000.
No, I'm buying it for 1,000.
Hey, madam, this is cost in the market.
Yeah, 1,500.
You need any other thing?
Tell her what you want, ma. Tell her what you want. I will tell her the price I want.
You're mad.
Thank you.
Give me money. I will speak.
Squeeze now. We have to fight me. Squeeze. Let's
I
fight
will
here in the
strangle you
market.
now.
Strangle me.
Don't worry.
Strangle me.
Take it back. Take it back. Give me no.
If you like, take 100 of them back. I don't mind. But I'm going to tell you the price I want. How much?
This one is 5,000.
No, 3,500.
Just bring
you allow me
4,500.
to-
4,500.
will you let me
Let me
go?
leave it.
How will you talk when you cannot price? Oh yeah, 4,000 last.
It's okay, just bring the money. It's okay.
Put how many you want? Tell her now. Oh yeah, now stay there. We're delaying our time.
Give me 5.
Next one. What else do you want? So we
If
go.
you ask me this, I will slap you.
Alright, let's go. Pack it. Let's go.
I should pack it.
Let's go. Pardon. So total, how much of it? Let's go. Come, madam. So this is take cross-check it. The list of all the things you bought today.
The last time I checked, madam, you did not gauge this your mouth while we were at the market buying things. So right now, I am not in the mood to talk to you.
Come and cross. Okay, let me use my mouth and do it. Let me do it myself. So all the things you bought today is total of 210,000 naira. So you're going to balance Oga 290,000 naira. Look at it.
How are you so sure that what we bought in the market is no more than 210,000 naira?
Yeah, that's what I'm showing you now. You should use your hand and cross-check it. Look at it.
You're a very
Look at
foolish person.
Look at it.
You're
So you
stupid.
cruise it. I
Come on,
have
get
evidence. Don't go and lie, yo. I have evidence. I have evidence, so madam. I have evidence, so let me say it again. If I want all you can.
Sir, we are back from the market.
Hello, sir.
Okay. I hope the money was enough.
More than enough, sir. More than enough. We never spend half of the money. No.
Really?
Yes, sir. You know you gave us 500,000. So she spent 210,000. She's supposed to balance you 290,000 naira. So you have to,
That's good. Where is the money, maybe?
Sir, it's in my room, sir. It's in my room, sir.
Go and bring it now.
Are you stupid? Come on, shut up. Is it your money?
He's asking for
Come on, get out.
Maybe.
Sir?
Go and get the money.
The money is in my room, sir.
Go get it.
It's very safe, sir.
It's your room or pocket. It's your room or bank. Go and bring it. Simple. Thank you, sir. Hey.
You have done your worst.
I've not started. This is the beginning. I've not started.
I will squeeze you. I will crush you. I will crush you.
See, if you want to squeeze somebody or kill somebody, you don't even need to stress yourself. Especially somebody like me. You can just be like, Leave me alone. If you touch me, I will tag it as an assault and you will go in for it. Are you mad?
I have seen people like you and I know how I handle them. Yours is a small case. I will deal with you. You think you know the law, Abi?
Not fight.
You know your rights?
Yes. Madam, go and bring that money and give her. Oga is waiting for you. Sharp, sharp.
Okay. You're a very foolish person. It is me and you in this house.
Madam, I said go and give Oga that money.
I will deal with you. You the small girl. I will deal with you.
I said you should go and give Oga that money.
You're a very foolish person. I will kill you and bury you. Nobody will know.
Madam, stop talking.
Don't worry.
You are welcome once again, Barrister.
Thank you, sir.
See, I'll go straight to the point so you understand why I sent for you.
Okay, sir.
I want to commence the writing of my will and I want it done as soon as possible.
There's no problem with that, sir. When do you want us to start?
Say next week.
Next week is not bad. I'm with you all the way, sir.
Thanks for the reassurance.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, Barrister.
Anything for you, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Just that I want to ask you some questions.
Alright, go ahead.
Sir, you know in the university, when a student wants to write a project, he or she is allowed to present what we call questionnaire.
That's correct.
To sample for people's opinion on what he or she is writing about. What I want to ask you is more like questionnaire.
Go straight to the point.
Sir, you know that I have served you for more than 3 years now. I want to know if I am doing good.
Sure, your services are okay. And that is why I'm still retaining you.
Nice. That means I am an obedient servant who could stand a chance at the end of the day.
How do you mean?
Ababa engine, you are here again, looking all worked up, full of worries, thinking too much.
I'm worried. I'm worried about our daughter. At least I want to see her, hear from her and be sure she's okay.
Our daughter is very okay. She is very fine. You see, I don't like you being in this mood because I do not ever want to see wrinkles on your face. Stop thinking too much. Our daughter is in safe hands. I have a strong feeling that she is very safe where she is.
Are you sure?
I am very, very sure of that.
I'm not even understanding anything.
No, you have to understand something. No be me again. Na me na. I got you covered. You don't look me that eye again. You know, say anytime when you look me that eye, you go just enter my eye. See, you are so beautiful. You are the most beautiful girl in this village. You are the sweetest.
Is it only in this village?
Not only in this village. Mpamam dear for saying that. In Swahili they say, Wewe ni mrembo kama Zari Hassan. Mrembo wa Africa. You know what it means? It means you are more beautiful than Zari Hassan. And don't forget, Zari Hassan is the finest woman in Africa. Now that I have told you this, and now that you don't enter, now that you don't enter my eyes, I would suggest that I want to tell you something. The something I want to tell you, the something is for us to go inside.
Please leave me.
Something.
I'm not in the mood.
Have you forgotten your husband sells mood? If you are not in the mood, I will put you in the mood. Oh?
What do you mean by you sell mood? Yeah, laptop,
Laputa no ge. Laba yokwage. Oh? Laputa ge. Laba yokwage. Let us go inside. Oh? See, when I look at you at times, I remember that portion of the Bible that says, if I perish, I perish.
You're finished, man.
I am finished for you. Any day that I say that I am tired of all this sweetness, Kambatia. Because you know, it's because you know. Ababin genome.
You still need to see my daughter.
You must see her. See, at this point, anything you want, I'll do it for you. You must see your daughter, and I will buy you a aeroplane. I will even hand over Asaba to you. All the billionaires in the world are under your feet. You are the sweetest of everything. Ababin genome. Ababin genome. Ababa. I die here, I die well. Ababin genome. Can you ever call it If I perish, I perish. Inform everybody. Inform all the neighbors.
But there is another question that I've been meaning to ask you. This question has been on my mind for a very long time.
What is it?
Sir, after the ghastly accident, I'm sorry if I'm asking you so many questions. I'm sorry, sir. After the ghastly accident that took away your wife and kids, I've never seen you with any other woman. I mean, as at the time I started working here till date. Does it mean you...
I am old, Mabel. What do I need a woman for?
So you need someone to take care of you. And that is where he's stepping. I mean, you have all the money to marry as many wives as you can. So I'm wondering, why don't you want to remarry?
I already told you I do not need a woman. My strength has failed me.
So do you know when I walk on the road that people compliment me? They say that I am too beautiful. Most of them say that I am a wife material. They say all sort of sweet things about me. And I'm wondering why you have not complimented me, not even for once. Does it mean that I am not good enough, like I am not what you want in a woman?
Listen, I already gave the answer to this question. I guess that's the reason why you came to my room. Yeah, you are a beautiful girl, no doubt about that. It's a beauty no man can ignore. But I do not need a woman in my life. It is a fact I've told you people, and I'm not going to change on that. You may leave now.
So you... Have a nice day, sir.
You too, Mabel.
This man keeps surprising me. The other day I tried to blow him to me. And he acted like no one was there. And now, I even had to treat myself at home. He still didn't notice me. How else? How else am I supposed to make him love me, notice me, marry me? How? Amara, all efforts to get his attention has failed.
And are you the door now? Look, let me tell you something. If it were me, that man would have been married to me long time ago. They play.
How? You think I'm not trying? I even had to throw myself at him, yet he did not see me as marriage material.
Like I already said, now you the door.
How do I go about this?
Good question, and I love it. You see, men like that are not gotten by mere seduction tricks. If you don't know, let me tell you.
How do you mean?
Choose Chuchu one here. What? It will be all yours.
Mama, did you just say Juju?
That's the only way out. Look, I'm down. I make him do your will. My dear, get enough money from him. May you relocate, go Yankee, go there, enjoy yourself. Especially now that he's about writing down his will. And it might even include you. So, my dear, pick up. Think it now. Him, think calm.
I think you're right.
I'm a very smart girl.
You're very smart.
Oh my God, wait. Oh my God. So how are you going to go about it?
I'll just do as you've said. I'll just take my time.
Stop pretending you are not a saint. You are not a saint.
You I'm a saint. I don't
you
need
now
you.
to get...
If you want this charm to work on him, you must add it to his food 3 consecutive times without interrupted of any kind. Any day you fail to add it in his food, it will lose its potency within 3 days. You will see the wonderful effect of the charm from the first day he will test your food.
Perfectly done. Hope you enjoy the food, sir.
Yes, I love it. I love it. Come and sit. Come and sit. Come and
Okay.
sit. See, I have not had your food taste this good for ages.
Well, you know I make sumptuous food for you, just that you've not taken your time to appreciate my good work.
Oh, my bad, my bad. See, I promise from now on, your good food will be highly appreciated.
Thank you. Okay.
Do you need anything?
No, for now.
You sure?
Yes.
No, sure.
I will just clear the table.
All right, Maddie, go ahead.
Okay. Now day 1 is gone. It's remaining day 2 and day 3. And he'll be bound to do my bidding. The first thing I will tell him to do is to kick that church rat, that little witch, out of this house. I will kick her out. And then, with a long straw, I will siphon all his bank account. And then zoom off. I will move. Yay! He walked. Sit on my lap. I like the food. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I cannot contain my joy. Maybe I'll calm down, relax.
This thing is not normal. How? The Oga that I know will not even allow this useless good for nothing girl to sit on his laps. Look at the way she even sat and was smiling. Galvanting. Hey. Is it not me again? Is it not me again? I must do something. If you say this girl don't go wash food for Oga, but I will find out and I will destroy him. I must destroy it. All of them in my way.
Do what? What are you doing here?
I came to supervise.
Supervise who? Why?
Oga is waiting for his food.
That is what I'm doing. So go.
No, just do it fast so that you don't keep the old man waiting.
Madam, I was about doing it before you walked in. I want you to get out.
Do it now. I'm here already. I can't live like that. Do it.
Is the food not ready?
Sir, it's ready. I'm bringing it, sir. What? Fool. Witch. This witch, this girl, she keeps spoiling things for me.
Baby.
Sir?
Come.
Sir, you're done eating already.
Yeah.
How did you see the food?
There's no pepper in the food. I told you I like pepper. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you this.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry.
That's what you always say. Another day you make the same mistake. Tell you never to get the car ready. I have a meeting to attend.
Sorry, sir. I don't have anything, sir.
This is your guy that I know. This is your guy that I know. That means this useless girl added something to his food yesterday. Okay, oh. It's me and you in this house. I'm not going to give up on you. You see you?
It's only when I permit you to cook in this kitchen. That is when you will cook.
Why?
And the last time I checked, I did not permit you to cook, so get out.
See, don't make me start believing that you are adding something into Oga's food with the intention of him loving you or something.
You're a very foolish person.
You too, you are very foolish.
Yeah, I'll try and go now.
Stupid. If that is what I'm planning, better stop it because it's not going to work.
Get out before
You two get out. I'm not going anywhere. Will you push me? I've come here to stay. Nothing. You not push
Get out of this. Don't provoke me.
Come and push me now.
You shut up. Do not provoke me.
Leave me, oh. Leave
Don't
me.
provoke me.
Leave me.
I will strangle you.
Strangle
Get
me.
out.
Come on. Leave me alone.
What is going on here?
It's not this witch. I don't know that I want to cook for you. She's not saying I should leave the kitchen.
And you, why do you want her to leave the kitchen?
Because this kitchen is not her department. And she does not know how to cook. So she should get out.
Who told her I don't know how to cook? Who told you?
Okay, let her do the cooking. If it's good, we all eat the food. But if not, she will eat it alone.
Simple.
So she will waste this money. She will waste these spices, all everything that I bought for the cook. She will waste them.
Is that too much to ask for?
Get out. Let me cook.
Sir, Shebi, you are hearing now.
Okay, sorry, ma. With due respect, ma, get out. Let me cook. Get out.
Okay, you are here.
Both of you stop. It's okay. Let her do the cooking.
I use this good cord now. I'll walk your neck. Come on.
If I don't squeeze this on small nose, If I don't.
This is nice. Oh, nice.
Sir, are you done eating?
Ah, yes. Wonderful meal, I must say.
Thank you, sir.
Who taught you how to cook?
My mother.
Wow. She taught you. Keep it up. Thank you.
Now you've understood what I was saying.
Can say that again.
Thank you, sir. Are you done with the water?
No, leave this. Go with that. Ah.
Excuse. Excuse, let me take this. Want to make it?
Engineer is about to write his will.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that is nice. So did you think you're going to be there in the list?
I'm not sure.
Well, I don't think you stand any chance because you and that man don't even relate well.
So what do you suggest I do?
This is what you're going to do. Go to his room, search thoroughly. Get all the wristwatches, gold, diamond, documents, everything of valuable. Pretty, let's sell it and make some money. You know? What do you think?
That's a good idea.
Of course.
You have a point.
Yes. See me. I was there. I was there. She came here, I was there.
How far?
I couldn't find anything.
Where? Did you search well?
Yes, I did. Babe, I couldn't find anything.
Like, nothing?
Yes, I did not see anything.
In this big house, there's nothing here.
I searched everywhere in that room.
Okay, this is what you're going to do. You have to pay very close attention to him, okay? Monitor his phone calls every time. It will definitely lead you to something, okay? Always mark him very well. Because men like him always discuss business on the phone.
Okay. Okay, baby, trust you.
Don't worry, we're gonna see things, man. We're gonna have money. Huh? Me and you. We're gonna ball this down. I can't wait, man.
Make sure you put everything. Put everything. Let us put it together. I will cast you. Thank God I caught you. Put everything. Let us put it together so that all of us will love you and die. Just pour everything.
What are you talking about,
What am I talking? Should I play the video for you so that you see how you are putting love portion inside of that food? And then let's. Wait, me. Oh, let me capture it. Do it again. Do that thing again. Try and cover my mouth again.
Me?
Oh yeah.
What are you talking about?
Young lady, what is your name? And what were you putting inside your Oga food?
Me putting Oga food?
Mm-hmm.
I did not put anything in Oga food.
You are sure? Should I play the video for you? Don't end my camera. Don't try it though. So now, what inspired you to doing this? You are in love with your Oga, right?
Sochi, it's a long story. You want to understand.
Me, I love stories. Let me bring chair so we'll sit and, gist where we I love stories.
Sochi, you want to go to school, right?
Yes.
I will train you. In school from your 100 level to your final level.
Yes. Don't worry, I don't need your sponsorship. Oga already promised to train me in school. So what else? Another offer.
Sochi, please stop now. Oga will hear this.
So now, you want to poison Oga, you want to put charm, love potion for Oga to love you. No, me. I will shout now. I cannot keep this thing to myself. It will be so stupid and foolish and useless of me to hide it. I will go and show Oga. Everybody must see it. No, don't beg me.
But you're my friend.
Don't beg. Wait, when? Me, your friend. Starting where?
Sochi, please.
Shush! Now to put charm, love potion for your Oga.
What are you saying now? Okay, this thing
It will be so bad, so stupid, useless and foolish of me not to show Oga this record.
Please,
I'm not
I beg you.
No.
Please don't tell
Oga,
me.
no.
So, anything, any amount you want, I will give you.
Any amount I want. Do I have 2 million?
Yes, I will give you.
To give me?
Yes.
Everything? No, I'm not taking
Soro,
it. Oga!
Sochi, please, Soro. Soro. What am I doing? Soro. Sir, please. I did not know what came over me. It's the devil's work. I beg you in the name of God, forgive me. I'm sorry.
See, I can forgive anything, but trying to use charm on me is what I cannot forgive. You go straight to your room, pack your bags, and leave.
Where else do you want me to go to? I don't have anywhere to go to, please. Soro, please help me and talk to him.
See, I'm going to my room. By the time I come back and you are still here, I will get you arrested.
Please, I beg you. Forgive me, sir. Please, Soro, please help me and talk to him. Sir, Soro, please.
So you don't have anywhere to go to, but you have somewhere to go and bring charm. Idiots. I don't plead on behalf of evil people. You are evil and wicked and stupid and foolish and...
I have changed. I've changed. Sir, please.
Sir! Sir, please! Sir, please, I beg you. Sir! Sir, please! Because I'm sorry, I'm sorry. It will never happen again. Sir!
That is we are seated. Let us share for you.
All right, thank you very much. In case you do not know, late engineer requested that all of you be present before reading the will, and that includes the gateman, the driver, and the house help. So, all right, this document is called will. Okay. It contains the heart desire of late engineer, and he doesn't want anyone to argue about what is written here. So if you give me your consent, I will go ahead and read the will.
Please go ahead.
All right. All my houses in the village and Abia State is willed to my younger brother, Emeka. The sum of 20 million naira will be given to him from my Access Bank account. The mansion where I live in the city is willed to Sorochi Dede. He will also be in charge of all my businesses. My driver will go home with a sum of 10 million naira. And the same goes with my gateman, Mark by name. Mark will also take custody of my Toyota Sports in the guest house that I built across the express. Sorochi will be given the sum of 250 million naira for the running of my businesses. Every other property belonging to me is hereby willed to the orphanage homes across the state. This is the will of late engineer Cosmos EBUBE. Does anyone here have something to say? All right, I will beg to take my leave now.
I don't make up. God, you do this one. It's not by the power of the devil. God, you do this one. It's not by the power of the devil. I don't make up. Don't make up.
For where?
You're not gonna follow me later. I don't make up. You waiting in the room for it. You know go shout. Uga don't give me 10 million naira. Well, another business for me. I don't make them. I dey pack my property, go village, go pop champagne. My village people go hear them. Make I go see there. Tell them saying not I don't make them too. I don't make them.
Go your village immediately. They go your community.
Dere, where you there? Come, you don't happen, oh. Dere. Where these people come go?
Obi, that person when they make noise for my house.
Now me they call you now. Come, you don't happen.
When they make noise for my house.
I they call you, see, you know the answer. You don't happen, oh. You don't happen. Yeah, me. When you there, they call you, see, you don't happen. Now Mark they talk. You don't happen.
Mark, you're not looking bad though. Mark, what happened?
God don't bless us. God don't bless me. Even bless your rota. Your rota na millionaire. I swear, your rota na millionaire.
Come on, get out of here. Come on, get out of my house.
Me. I make good for them.
I will just stampede you. Which kind of joke is that?
Your rota na millionaire.
How can we be a millionaire? Get out now.
Okay, wait. See that man, when I come that time, come pick your rota. Say make him go south. That man die. You know finish that man come call your daughter, come divide in where 2. Give her 1. Your daughter turn millionaire.
Mark, if it's a joke, please stop it. What type of prank?
Yeah, me, madam.
Mark.
Madam, your daughter is a millionaire. Oh.
Mark, wait. Mark, wait. I'm going to cool. Make you know be say you come my house, I can't stampede you. Just tell me the truth. This thing where you dey talk now. Now true, I been a joke.
Well, I go don come from city and carry transport come this place to joke with you. Are they like joker for your face? I say your daughter a millionaire. You hear me? Okay, call your daughter now.
Mark.
Your daughter is a millionaire.
Oh, doesn't make money.
Your daughter is a millionaire.
Wait, I don't make money.
Your daughter is a millionaire.
Allow me here. Allow me here. Can I mark all of them? About this. To work,
We are a millionaire.
For this good news, this good news calls for celebration. Let us go inside.
No, let's start from here. Let's start from here.
You don't happen. Everything you don't happen.
I don't hear your good news.
Your daughter is a millionaire.
I don't hear the good news.
Me, I'm a millionaire too.
I know you can go now.
It's me. Your daughter is a millionaire.
This good news that just came. You know, say no be today. They tell you say when Chogo blow.
Yes.
I'd always tell you
But
say.
you are not proud of that.
I'd always tell you say when Chogo make us proud. Now that when Chogo has made us proud, it calls for celebration.
Yes, let's start from here.
No be here now. We go inside.
Must we go inside?
You don't lose God.
Come first, see, let's celebrate. Come.
Under the tree.
It's true love. Come. Our daughter is now a millionaire.
Under tree again. Baba engine. If what Mark said is the truth, then our daughter needs to be protected at all costs.
What do you mean by she needs to be protected?
Don't you know that now that our daughter is successful, men will be trooping in and out of her life with only one intention, to cash out from her. But I will not let that happen. Anybody I see that comes close, I will stampede him to God.
I still don't understand.
Let me break it down for you. No rich girl, no rich lady, no rich woman marries out of love. Men always flourish around rich women, scavenging around them like parasites, looking and waiting and looking for opportunities so they will cut away the money and disappear.
Okay, so what do you suggest we do?
I think I have to go to the city first thing tomorrow morning. When I get to the city, I will protect our daughter. I will mount guard over her to make sure she does not lose guard. I will keep my eyes on her until she finds true love. Any waka kind of movement, any pium kind of movement, any esikwawada abayobosi kind of movement around her, I will first of all mark the person's face. After I don't mark the person's face, I will stampede the person. Pam everybody dear.
Our daughter is not the man type. Why do you keep hammering about men?
You still don't understand. Money is like sugar. Once there is sugar, ants will come. Now there is money, men will come. But I will not allow them.
You are right, yes, you are right. So, how do you intend to do it?
I will have to sleep over it. And I know myself, based on who I be, I will figure out something. That look, this eye where you take look me now. Ababa, you don't enter my eyes.
Close it.
You don't enter my eyes. Ababa, this one that I just called Ababa, I've not even called engine. And you are doing your legs like this. You are doing your hand like that. I just called Abba. I've not added engine. You don't do legs like this.
You don't need to say much. I already know you.
You know, say if not, if I can't say it, I'm Magidia.
You don't get tired. I thought you've changed.
If I ever get tired of you, come back here. Abba. Abba. And I don't jika job. I should be stingy with everything.
At least get tired now.
If I talk now, they say all the time I will stampede. All the time I will stampede. I will not say them pump wagging now, and you will not calm down.
I don't understand. Didn't I warn you about getting emotional with me?
Yes, you did.
So?
So, baby, are you not seeing this? So, baby, look into my eyes. Are you not seeing that I love you? Huh? From the very first time I laid my eyes on you, I knew you were going to be my wife. I love you.
The last time I checked, you were friends with Mabel. So what are you talking about?
What I had with Mabel was against my wish.
How?
Okay, Mabel brought me to this town under a condition that I have to be dating her for me to have a roof under my head.
Are you serious with what I'm saying?
So, baby, you don't even understand who Mabel is. That girl is, she's wicked. Huh? That girl is a Jezebel, she's mean. I needed to survive. That was why I was dancing to her tune. That was not even me.
Well, I still insist. I don't want anything with you. Hey. Please.
So, baby, look into my eyes now.
I don't want to repeat myself again. Do not cross boundaries.
Ma'am, there's a blind man here looking for you.
Blind man?
Yes, ma'am.
Blind man. Let him in.
Okay, ma'am.
He should let a blind man in? I'm sorry. But, so baby...
Hey. What did I say?
I shouldn't get emotional with you.
Space.
Space, okay.
Don't try it.
But I want you to be looking...
Don't try it!
Okay, now. I love you. So, baby. So, sorry.
Papa?
Sorochi.
Papa?
Sorochi, Mom, Sorochi.
Papa, what happened to your eyes?
Sorochi. It's a long story. A very long story. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Papa.
So, baby, who is that?
Who is that?
It's a friend.
A friend?
Come and sit first, please. What kind of long story is this? Long story? No. On this side. This side. This is a chair.
Mom, I've missed you.
Me too.
I've missed you so much, my daughter.
I miss you more. Papa, what happened to your eyes?
My daughter, it was on the 10th of this month. Sand entered my eyes. I did not think it was anything serious. I went to bed at night, only for me to wake up later and realized I could not see. Everywhere was still dark. So I thought it was not yet the break of dawn. So I went back to sleep. Much later in the day, your mother came to wake me up to tell me I was already late for work. Only then did I realize I've lost my sight.
Ordinary sand?
Ordinary sand, my child.
Well, you don't have to bother yourself. By the end of the month, I'm going to fly you to India for surgery.
So baby, will I go with you people?
Father, so
I
much.
missed you.
I've missed you, my child.
Don't eat anything. Wait, let me go and make something for you to eat.
Anything chilled will do.
Alright.
And whatever you want to prepare for me, remember my favorite Ogiri Bonganyeke.
No problem. I'll be right back.
Thank you, my child.
They're welcome, eh?
Thank you so much.
My name is Pascal.
Oh, Pascal?
Yeah, you're welcome. I am so baby's fiancé.
So she's fiancé?
Yes, now. We are about coming to the village to come and tell you before you came uninvited.
Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate your warm welcome. So she's fiancé.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who is there?
It's me.
Oh, what is your name?
It's me, Pascal.
Oh, Pascal.
Yeah.
You did not go to work today?
Oh, today is actually my shift, and I'm off today.
Oh, all right. I'm actually enjoying a glass of chilled juice.
I can see.
You can join me.
You enjoy yourself. You enjoy the money.
Yeah?
You're looking all fresh.
You can join me.
I'm coming. I need to shower. I stink at the moment.
Yeah. You with someone? I
Someone?
could hear some footsteps.
No, that was me. I was lost in my shoes.
All right.
Let me just quickly shower. I'll come and get you.
All right.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you're highly welcome. Takataka sana sikupendi jinga wewe ifemelo onye isi ịpụọ n'ezi ebute nwa Pascal ọta nwa ibute nwa ibulubata na be nwa m agha ifemelo onye isi nnukwu ifemelo onye isi afụla onye akọrọ. If I allow you eat my daughter's money and this cake, come back here.
Good day.
Who the hell are you?
I am Sanchez.
So? What do you want? So? Who cares? What are you doing here?
Anyways, I'm here to see my beloved Soruchi. Yeah.
Why? She's not around. You can leave.
Okay, in that case, I want you to do me a favor. Please deliver this gift and flower to her.
My friend, take your miserable gift and flower and get out from my house! Are you deaf?
Whose voice am I hearing?
I
can hear voices.
There is no...
Who is there?
It's nobody. I'm watching TV.
No, I am very sure of what I heard. Whose voices did I hear?
You are right, sir. My name is Sanchez. I got some gift and flower for Soruchi, my beloved.
Nobody cares about your gift and flowers. Take your gift and leave, man. Bounce, man. Go!
Enough, Pascal. Please, you do not have to be host to our visitor. Young man.
Sir?
You can bring the flower, I will help you give it.
Oh, that's nice, sir. That's nice.
There can actually be a bomb in that bag.
What did you say your name is again?
Sanchez, sir.
Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
I will let her know when she's back. Pascal, I know how much you love my daughter. Please, you do not have to be rude or arrogant to have visitors.
Dede, the truth is that I love your daughter so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I don't want all this riffraff walking here and deceive her. Huh? See the way he was even smelling. He couldn't even buy a perfume. And he wants to take care of such my baby. Huh?
I understand you are so infuriated because your intentions towards my daughter are pure. But please, you do not have to be so harsh. Have visitors next time. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Do you want me to keep the gift for her?
You don't have to worry yourself. I'll keep it myself.
Sanchez. That's really be a boy's name with an empty pocket. Sanchez. Thomas.
I love it.
That means the young man knows what you like.
Kinda. I've been meaning to tell you this.
What is it, my child?
Pascal. Pascal said he loves me and he wants to marry me. Same with Sanchez. But I'm really confused. I don't know which of them is real.
My child, there is nothing, absolutely nothing to be confused about. All you have to do is to take your time, study them. You will be able to decipher between them who is real and who is not. Their true intentions. Then you can choose who you will settle down with. Do you understand?
Yes. I'm so glad you are here. At least you will guide me to walk through the right path.
And I am so glad I came. I love you so much, my child.
I love you more.
Nakupenda.
Mr. Man, I thought I've told you to stop coming here. Huh? What are you doing here?
The last time I checked, this is not your house.
What?
So you have no right to tell me to stop coming here.
Wait, you think this is a joke? Huh? You think this is a joke?
Stop!
Huh?
What is going on here? I can hear voices.
It's good you're here. Sir, I came and Pascal will not let me be.
Pascal, I have told you time and time again to stop being aggressive towards my daughter's visitors.
This particular visitor has an ulterior motive. He's not a visitor.
Whichever be the case, let him be. Sanchez.
Sir.
Make yourself comfortable.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. leave the road. I'm taking him inside.
Taking him inside that you've been inside before, what? What do you know is for?
You need my help.
What am I doing here? My friend must go. I will kill you. Stop. Come, let's go. Okay, my guy, I will kill you.
Can you mind your business?
See, Sanchez, whatever they call you, leave this house. I will not tell you again, leave this house. Let's go.
Okay, wait, easy. Your leg up.
Yeah? Go back home. Go back home. Okay, go back home. Go back home, okay? Go back home.
I'm coming. Let's go. Young man. Yeah. All right, don't worry. Do your thing. Dede, I'm still here. Don't worry.
Dede, wait for me. See, do you want to die? Eh? You don't want to die this bad. If I see you in this house again, I will kill you.
I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid of me.
Pascal.
Baby.
What do you have in that bag?
This bag? It's clothes now. I'm taking his clothes to the laundry guy.
Otangwa, you will never change.
What is the daddy talking about? Explain to him that.
Explain what?
The clothes.
Do you know what?
Yes.
That bag. Do you know what is in that bag?
Clothes.
Fake money. We just wanted to put you on a test. And you failed.
Why won't he fail when his intentions are not genuine? Huh? If you must know, I am not blind. I am not blind. Amumanya Kazu.
So you can see me.
I can see you welcome and you are putting on a green polo, an ash-colored denim trousers. The other day you brought in one fair, ugly girl with K-legs, and you chopped her in my daughter's bedroom. Huh? Ina kanwa na benwam. Ibutenwa ibatana benwam tagaga. Now if I must play you this tape, I've always known that you do not love my daughter. I've always known you are a gold digger. I've always known you came to my daughter because of her money.
No, baby, you know I love you now. Eh? I love you. Look into my eyes. Love.
Your eyes go blind.
Hey.
You were trying to play a fast one on my innocent child. What you did not know is a guy, Adira guy, a gayoyo. I overheard your numerous conversations, your phone calls with your fellow criminals, plotting and having ploys of how you will scavenge on my child's wealth like the parasites you all are. Ebute nwa, ebulubata na be nwa, nolu na be nwa, ta nwa. I don't provoke.
Of course. Yeah, the little witch. She thinks I'm already in love with her. Yeah, not knowing that I'm already here for the money. See, once I get my hands on that money, I'm gonna disappear into thin air. She's not gonna see me again. Trust me. Yes, now I'm following her gradually until she leads me to the documents. Yeah. No, of course I'm not selling this house. I can't sell this house. This house is huge. Yeah. Don't worry, she's going to come along. Don't trust me. All right. No, I don't know. She's not even home. I don't know where she went to. No problem. We'll talk later then. All right.
Anyone there?
Didi, I'm here. Yeah, Didi, how are you?
I'm doing so well. And you?
I'm fine. Take it easy. Please come on. Easy. Easy, take it easy. You know the house is very huge.
Yeah, I understand that.
Let me get you to that seat. Let's go.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Didi. So Didi, what do you want me to get for you?
Cold water.
Cold water.
That'll be fine.
Okay, I'm coming, okay?
This boy. Look at this boy, you know. Yeah. Cold water. I don't provoke. Muhammad to God, I don't provoke. Bobby, just down. Just down. You don't lose guard, eh? You don't lose guard. You don't make remorse. You don't meander. You have the minds, the audacity, the guts, the temerity, and the effrontery to attempt to think of, thinking of, to dare of playing a fast one on my innocent child in my house. For our house in the village, my daughter used to call me a tout. You get mind? One play a fast one on the daughter of a tout. How dare you? How dare you dare to think of trying to scam my own child? You want make I put call for you? You want make I can pour bunk? You can pour my men in a bunk? You can pour Botompo? You can pour Bia Paiwa? You can pour John Joloko? You can pour Melense? This nonsense where you do so. For this was getting where you lose God. My about to God, where make me and you are body. Only one gum, what be a ball gum. Only one come say you. For this nonsense game you wanted to play with my daughter. My about to God, where make me and you. I don't mark your face to God. I don't mark your here. I go stamping you now. I go stomp into you now. No, let the Lord gate. If I boy I go see them poor, come what here? Get man, lock the gate. When I come from this house, come what here?
Papa, you know you have changed. Calm down. This is city. Calm down.
Changed. Abab engine. Ababamo. That's good too. When she talks about us looking good, we have to tell her that we are now balling.
Yes.
We are now among the people who are eating before the meeting. How do we do our celebration? In or out of the house?
Yes, good choice.
Diego the boy, Diego Obama, Diego Pele, Diego Elizabeth. Let me practice it for the final time.
You're a good actor. You're such a
People have been enjoying, I've been in the village. Leave me. We are going now. Let's go out and celebrate. Leave me.